Okay, we're out testing this early 90s 99 Mercury that I recently tuned up. This one got a new carb kit, including fuel pump and primer system diaphragms. I also put a new thermostat in it. It didn't have one in before, and I just find these motors run better and warm up better with them in. I put a new recoil assembly on this one off a parts motor that I had just because the old one, the rope was frayed real bad. Other than that, gear lube, spark plugs, and it runs really well. This is actually take 2 of this video for today. I had it out earlier, and it would bog down really bad at anything above an idle. I was like, well, it could be multiple things, so I popped the hood and found the primer was leaking really bad, which I was like, huh. So I guess those Sierra kits, I normally have good luck with them, but it had a bad gasket that was brand new. It had gelled up really bad and caused a leak. So I went back home and found an OEM one, threw that in there, and looks like our problem's fixed. So this motor, it's got a fair share of scratches on the hood. It's definitely lived a long life, but it runs really smooth, and we'll show it running here. Shifting the tiller here, so it's in neutral. Put it in gear. Got a really nice idle to it. You can see it pumping water there. These things run really smooth, so we'll show it running at full throttle here. And we'll bring it back down to a nice idle. Put it back in neutral. There it is in reverse. Back to neutral. So yeah, it turned out to be a good one, even though I had that issue with the primer. I'm glad I caught that issue before I sent it on to its next owner. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have a nice day.